Self-happiness, often referred to as self-fulfillment or personal contentment, is the state of being content, satisfied, and at peace with oneself. It is an internal sense of joy, satisfaction, and well-being that isn't entirely dependent on external factors. Self-happiness involves understanding and embracing one's own identity, values, and needs, and finding a sense of purpose and fulfillment from within. It's about recognizing and accepting oneself, including both strengths and weaknesses, and being comfortable in one's own skin. Self-happiness also involves setting and achieving personal goals, being in alignment with one's values, and maintaining a positive mindset. While external factors like relationships, achievements, and circumstances can contribute to one's happiness, self-happiness emphasizes the significance of internal factors in finding contentment and fulfillment. It's about finding a sense of joy and satisfaction that isn't solely reliant on external validations, but stems from one's internal well-being state of mind. Self-happiness, characterized by independence from external sources, stems from several reasons. Autonomy and empowerment. Relying on oneself for happiness fosters a sense of personal empowerment and control over one's emotions and well-being. It reinforces the idea that your happiness isn't solely contingent on external factors, empowering you to take charge of your own life. Consistency and stability. When happiness is solely tied to external sources like other people's opinions or actions, it becomes unpredictable and transient. Depending on oneself for happiness leads to more stability and consistency in emotional well-being. Self-discovery and understanding. Seeking happiness within yourself often leads to a deeper understanding of your desires, values, and needs. It encourages self-reflection and self-discovery, contributing to a more genuine and lasting sense of fulfillment. Reduced vulnerability to external factors. Relying on others for happiness can make you susceptible to their changing moods or actions, leading to emotional instability. Developing self-happiness helps you become less vulnerable to external influences, enabling you to navigate life's ups and downs with more resilience. Personal growth and development. The pursuit of self-happiness encourages personal growth. It motivates individuals to develop skills, engage in self-improvement, and pursue interests that align with their values and goals, fostering a more satisfying and fulfilling life journey. Healthy relationships. Being self-sufficient in finding happiness can contribute to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. Rather than relying on others to fill personal voids, individuals enter relationships from a place of strength and independence, fostering healthier connections, inner peace, and contentment. Self-happiness is often associated with a more profound sense of inner peace and contentment. The ability to find joy within oneself leads to a more stable emotional state and a deeper sense of satisfaction. While it's essential to cultivate self-happiness, it's also important to recognize the value of healthy interdependence and support from others. Striking a balance between self-reliance and healthy connections with others is key to leading a fulfilling and well-rounded life. Not depending entirely on other people for your happiness has several reasons, because relying solely on others for your happiness can be unreliable. Seeking your happiness within yourself often leads to more stability and resilience against the fluctuations of external circumstances, offering a sense of stability and inner peace. This sense of stability and inner peace leads to personal empowerment and encourages self-exploration, personal development, and a deeper understanding of your desires and needs, contributing to personal growth and fulfillment. Depending on others for happiness might lead to a lack of control over your emotional state. However, self-happiness places the power in your hands, allowing you to steer your emotions and satisfaction, providing a stronger sense of personal empowerment. Relying solely on others for happiness may hinder personal development, making it vital to build relationships on a foundation of self-happiness. While independence is valuable, healthy interdependence and seeking support from others are also essential, as it fosters healthier and more satisfying connections. Ultimately, finding happiness within yourself makes you less susceptible to external fluctuations, offering a sense of stability and inner peace. Assuming responsibilities and helping others significantly contribute to happiness due to several reasons. Firstly, they provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Engaging in activities beyond oneself creates a sense of accomplishment, offering meaning to life and thereby fostering happiness. Additionally, these actions boost self-esteem and self-worth. Recognizing the positive impact of your actions on others can enhance confidence and feelings of personal value, leading to happiness. Moreover, they strengthen social connections and relationships. Kind acts and supporting others create a sense of community and belonging, ultimately contributing to an individual's overall happiness. Further, these actions trigger the release of positive neurotransmitters such as dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin. These chemicals are linked to feelings of happiness and well-being, resulting in a joyful state. Lastly, assuming responsibilities and assisting others often lead to personal growth and learning. Overcoming challenges and helping others often means learning new skills or gaining different perspectives, contributing to happiness through personal development. Overall, taking on responsibilities and aiding others can bring happiness through a combination of factors involving fulfillment, self-worth, social connections, neurological responses, and personal development. The correlation between self-motivation, wealth building, and happiness. Happiness is an elusive yet sought-after state of being that individuals across the globe constantly pursue. While it's subjective and its source is multifaceted, there's a compelling argument that self-motivation and the pursuit of wealth are integral to achieving contentment. Self-motivation acts as the driving force behind personal development and accomplishment. It fuels ambition, setting the stage for self-improvement and goal attainment. When individuals are self-motivated, they tend to take charge of their lives and set their aspirations higher. This internal drive not only propels them towards success, but also fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment, contributing significantly to their overall happiness. Wealth building, on the other hand, is often associated with financial security, providing opportunities for comfort and freedom from monetary constraints. The ability to meet one's needs, support loved ones, and enjoy life's luxuries is undeniably linked to a greater sense of contentment. Wealth can facilitate experiences, knowledge, and access to a variety of resources that contribute to overall life satisfaction. The interplay between self-motivation and wealth creation can amplify individual happiness. A self-motivated person, driven by goals and aspirations, is more likely to engage in endeavors that enhance financial prosperity. In turn, the accumulation of wealth can further inspire and motivate an individual, fostering a cycle of personal growth and contentment. Success in wealth building often acts as a tangible sign of progress, encouraging self-motivated individuals to keep pushing their limits and achieving greater goals. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that happiness is not solely derived from wealth accumulation or material success. While wealth can create opportunities and provide comforts, true happiness often stems from various sources, including relationships, personal growth, and the fulfillment of individual passions and purposes. Moreover, the pursuit of wealth can sometimes lead to stress, anxiety, and an obsessive focus on financial growth, which might detract from an individual's overall happiness. Balancing the quest for wealth with mental well-being and the pursuit of fulfilling relationships and personal growth is imperative for a holistic and genuine state of happiness. While self-motivation and the pursuit of wealth can significantly contribute to one's happiness by empowering individuals to strive for and attain their goals, a multidimensional approach that encompasses various aspects of life is essential for a well-rounded and enduring sense of contentment. Happiness is found not only in the pursuit of financial goals, but in the harmonious balance of various life aspects that contribute to a fulfilled and gratifying existence. The art of happiness, understanding the do's and don'ts of life. Happiness is a journey that intertwines with the decisions we make and the paths we choose. The dichotomy between what to do and what not to do is an age-old contemplation that influences the quality of our lives. This essay delves into the significance of knowing what actions to embrace and which ones to avoid, outlining how this discernment plays a pivotal role in our pursuit of happiness. Knowing what to do encompasses a spectrum of positive actions that contribute to a fulfilling life. It involves setting achievable goals, cultivating meaningful relationships, practicing kindness, staying open to learning, and nurturing a sense of gratitude. By establishing clear objectives and working towards them, individuals provide themselves with a sense of purpose, direction, and accomplishment. Moreover, nurturing meaningful relationships is a cornerstone of happiness. It involves investing time and effort in fostering connections with family, friends, and the community. These relationships serve as a support network, offering comfort, companionship, and shared experiences that enrich life's journey. Practicing kindness and compassion is another essential to-do in the pursuit of happiness. By being empathetic and extending a helping hand to others, individuals not only contribute positively to the lives of others, but also experience a sense of fulfillment and purpose within themselves. Continuous learning and personal growth are key elements of a happy life. Embracing new knowledge, exploring personal interests, and being open to experiences widens perspectives, fostering intellectual stimulation and personal development. Gratitude, the practice of appreciating what one has, is a fundamental to-do for happiness. Acknowledging the good in life, no matter how small, cultivates a positive outlook, promoting contentment and inner peace. Conversely, knowing what not to do is equally essential. It involves steering clear of actions that can inhibit personal growth, foster negativity, and hinder happiness. This includes avoiding excessive self-criticism, holding on to grudges, and living a life solely for the pursuit of material wealth. Overly criticizing oneself can lead to a decline in self-esteem and hinder personal development. Learning to accept oneself and acknowledging imperfections is a crucial step in nurturing self-compassion and a positive self-image. Holding grudges and being unable to forgive perpetuates negativity and emotional distress. Choosing to let go of past grievances and focusing on the present allows for emotional liberation, fostering a sense of peace and freedom. Additionally, the relentless pursuit of material wealth at the expense of personal relationships and well-being can lead to a hollow and unsatisfactory life. Realizing that happiness does not solely reside in material possessions but in connections, experiences, and personal growth is an important realization. Finding a balance between indulgence and discipline is crucial. Excessive indulgence in habits or behaviors that can be detrimental to mental and physical health, like overeating or procrastination, should be curbed for a healthier and more fulfilling life. The art of happiness lies not just in knowing what actions to embrace, but also in recognizing actions to avoid. By fostering positive habits and attitudes, nurturing meaningful relationships, and letting go of negative influences, individuals pave the way for a more content and fulfilling life. Happiness is not a destination, but a journey marked by conscious decisions, thoughtful actions, and an understanding of the to-dos and not-to-dos that shape our lives. The art of building a happy family, nurturing connections, values, and togetherness. A happy family is not merely a fortuitous occurrence, it's a consciously cultivated environment that requires ongoing dedication, commitment, and effort from every member. The foundation of a joyous and harmonious family is laid upon a bedrock of love, mutual respect, open communication, and shared values. In this essay, we'll explore the pivotal elements necessary to build a content and thriving family environment. Communication undoubtedly is the cornerstone of a healthy family dynamic. It involves not just speaking, but actively listening, understanding, and empathizing with each other. Clear and open channels of communication foster an atmosphere where every family member feels heard, understood, and valued. This exchange of thoughts, feelings, and opinions nurtures understanding and acceptance, creating a safe space for each individual to express themselves freely. Mutual respect among family members is equally crucial. Respecting each other's boundaries, choices, and individuality establishes an environment that values diversity and promotes a sense of security and trust within the family unit. When each member feels respected, it encourages a nurturing atmosphere where everyone can thrive. Shared values and traditions play a significant role in shaping family identity. They instill a sense of belonging and unity, fostering a shared vision and purpose. Whether it's a set of moral values, cultural traditions, or common goals, these shared elements serve as guiding principles that bring the family together, creating a sense of coherence and stability. Quality time spent together is an essential aspect of family happiness. Amidst today's fast-paced lifestyles, dedicating time for shared activities, meals, or conversations is vital. Engaging in leisure activities, discussions, or even merely enjoying a family meal helps in building strong emotional bonds and cherished memories that knit the family closer. A nurturing and supportive environment is imperative for the growth and development of every family member, encouraging each other's dreams, goals, and supporting individual aspirations fosters a sense of encouragement and security. Whether it's a child's academic pursuits, a parent's career goals, or an elderly family member's desire for companionship, a supportive environment propels the family forward as a cohesive unit. Conflict resolution and managing disagreements constructively are also pivotal in building a happy family. Conflicts are natural, but how they are managed defines the strength of a family bond. Through open discussions, respect, and finding mutually beneficial solutions, family members can grow through challenges, resolving conflicts while preserving the family's emotional connections. Furthermore, teaching and practicing empathy within the family is essential. Understanding and empathizing with each other's feelings, thoughts, and experiences cultivates a compassionate and caring family environment, leading to stronger emotional connections and an increased sense of security. Building a happy family necessitates a holistic approach that integrates communication, mutual respect, shared values, quality time, support, conflict resolution, and empathy. The amalgamation of these elements constructs an environment where every family member feels cherished, supported, and connected, leading to a harmonious and content family life. A happy family is not a final destination, but a continuous journey built upon shared experiences, mutual understanding, and unwavering love.